Today, we're exploring a fantastic accessory for your Mac computing setup, the Macally Wired Ergonomic Keyboard. This keyboard is designed with your comfort and usability in mind. Its split ergonomic design helps reduce wrist strain by promoting a natural typing posture. The integrated padded wrist rest further enhances comfort during long typing sessions. With its wired plug-and-play configuration, you won't have to worry about battery life. The 5-fit USB-A cable connects seamlessly with your Mac devices. The backlit keys featuring adjustable brightness allow for use in various lighting conditions, ensuring clear visibility. This keyboard boasts a 100-key Mac OS layout that includes 16 convenient shortcuts, making it a perfect choice for Mac users familiar with Apple keyboards. In performance, the scissor switch keys provide a tactile and satisfying typing experience. While the split design might require an adjustment period for new users, the benefits in comfort and typing posture make it worthwhile. Compared to similar products, the Macally keyboard excels in blending functionality, ergonomics, and macOS compatibility. For users looking to optimize their typing ergonomics and efficiency, the Macally Wired Ergonomic Keyboard is definitely worth considering.